Hello again, we're back in Kato Paphos here, and we're going to have a look at the Agia Kyriaki church. I think I pronounced that right. I think it was originally called St Paul's Pillar, so St Paul's is probably easier to pronounce, and it's surrounded by a basilica, I think the word is. Some ancient ruins dating back to the 13th century. And it's got walkways that circumnavigate the whole church and all the ruins, so you can walk around it. It was free when we were there, wasn't closed off. So if you're coming to Paphos, it's just off the harbour area, probably about a 10-minute walk, and it's well worth visiting. Now when we were here, you could enter the church, which we do in a minute. We'll have a look around, but it's well worth looking at these sites as well. Now it was by appointment, the visit to the church, but they let us in anyway. We asked if we could come in and they said yeah, that's fine. So it was good to come in, and luckily enough they said you could also bring cameras in, so that wasn't a problem. There were people having a mass in there when we arrived, so we just had to wait for a few minutes for it to finish, and then we were allowed to come in and have a look. Is camera okay?
Yes.
And it just gives you a little idea on the board there what sort of clothes. Just you can wear short sleeves, but not obviously short skirts or swimming trunks. Now the church was actually built in the 13th centuries over the ruins of the largest early Byzantine basilica on the island, and it's within the compound of St Paul's Pillar. And according to tradition, St Paul was flogged before the Roman governor Sergius Paulus was converted to Christianity. And the floor of the basilica was covered with colourful mosaics, some of which are still preserved. And that's the bits you can see outside. Now, when we came, it was just on the off chance. We hadn't planned it. We just went for a stroll along the back, and then we came across the church. I thought it was well worth having a look at. So as you can see, the walkway goes right the way around it. It'll take you an hour or so just to go around the whole thing. Yeah, good, thanks. It's got lots of information as well, scattered around on the little boards, so you can read up on your history if you're interested in that sort of thing. So well worth a visit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.